Have you ever felt alone while standing in the middle of a crowd? Have you ever heard thousands of voices, yet felt complete silence inside? If yes, then you already know the city. Welcome, and take a deep breath. Today, we are not rushing anywhere. Today, we are listening. Listening to a place that never sleeps. Welcome to the city. The city never stops. The city wakes up before the sun rises. Lights turn on, engines start, doors open. The city breathes in noise and breathes out movement. People walk fast, talk fast, think fast. Time moves quickly here. But inside, many hearts feel slow. Morning in the city is not quiet. Buses rush, horns speak, footsteps echo. Coffee shops open their doors, street vendors arrange their goods, office buildings prepare for another long day. The city stretches and begins again. People of the city. The city is made of people. Different faces, different stories. A man waiting for a bus, thinking about bills. A woman walking fast, dreaming of success. A student checking time, hoping not to be late. Everyone is moving, but few are truly present. The crowd and the loneliness. The city is crowded. Thousands of people walk side by side. Yet, loneliness lives here. You can stand among many and still feel unseen. The city teaches you something strange. Being surrounded does not mean being connected. The noise of the city. The city is loud. Cars, machines, voices. Noise becomes normal. So normal that silence feels uncomfortable. People wear headphones not to hear music, but to escape. Dreams in the city. The city is full of dreams. Big dreams, small dreams. Some dreams rise, tall like buildings. Some dreams break, quietly in small rooms. The city does not promise success. It offers opportunity. What you do with it is up to you. Work and pressure. Work defines city life. Schedules, deadlines, targets. People measure time in hours and life in tasks. The city rewards speed, but forgets rest. The city at noon. At noon, the city slows slightly. Lunch breaks begin. People sit alone or in groups, phones in hands, food on tables, eyes on screens. Even while eating, the city thinks about work. The hidden beauty. The city hides beauty in small moments. Sunlight between buildings, a smile from a stranger, a child laughing on the street. You must slow down to notice them. The city and time. Time behaves differently in the city. Days pass quickly, years pass quietly. One day you look back and wonder, when did time run so fast? The evening transition. As evening arrives, the city changes its mood. Lights turn on again, shadows grow longer. People look tired, but still moving. The city does not stop for exhaustion. The city at night. Night is honest. The city becomes real. Some celebrate, some work late. Some feel empty. The city shows all emotions, without judgment. The silent struggles. Behind closed doors, there are silent struggles. Stress, fear, hope. The city sees everything, but says nothing. The city teaches lessons. The city teaches you how to survive, how to adapt, how to stand alone. But it can also teach you how to forget yourself. Choosing your way. The city offers many paths. Not all are good, not all are bad. You must choose who you become here. The city and you. The city shapes you, your habits, your thoughts, your dreams. But remember, you are not the city. You live in it, not belong to it. Slow reflection. Stop for a moment. Breathe. Listen to your heart, not the traffic. The city will always be loud. You don't have to be. Final message. The city is powerful. It can build you or break you. It depends on how you live inside it. Thank you for walking slowly through the streets and stories. Remember, you control your pace, not the city. Until next time, take care, stay aware, and goodbye.